There's nobody behind me. Look. Everybody's way back. I basically have this whole street to myself. So yeah, boxing, pizza. Nobody rectangle ordered a pizza, and it was like a vodka pie, grandma vodka pie with freaking penne on it, like pasta on it, ziti on the pizza. That thing was a mess. That was a mess. So I literally like basically made a pizza, then dumped the whole pot of pasta on top of it. The pasta was amazing. The pizza was really good. Together, that was a mess. telling me to go to the left here, but that's not how we're gonna play this game. We're gonna go through that weird little tunnel there. Oh wait, that's gonna fuck me up for 34th Street. Did I leave 34th Street? Do I leave 34th Street? No, not particularly. Although it could be cute, but we're not gonna hit it. We're not gonna hit it. Oh man, what a beautiful day in New York City. It's funny because on the highway it was actually a little bit like fresh and crispy. Staring me down. That baby is staring me down. That's taxi yard here. Look. Pretty good. Go, come on, give me that green sugar. New York City speed limit is 25. So little postal truck get parked and turn. What's also beautiful is all balls. I'm sorry, why am I being so what do you call it? My humor is not primitive, it's childish. Yeah. Why is my humor so childish? Good question. Good question. This is my favorite time to ride. How come I never come to the city at this hour? Look at it. It's literally not even that early. It's 9:30 in the morning. It's Saturday. Meatpacking District, 14th Street. Union Square is to the left, and then another stuff is to the right. We got the iPhone 12 Pro. Yeah, I need to get a new iPhone. My iPhone is a couple years old. I'm not like an iPhone whore or anything, but it is quite a bit old. Oh man, what a beautiful day! What a beautiful morning! What a good idea was to go through Manhattan. I love this area. Beautiful cobblestone streets over here, old, sexy, and fancy. How many times? Ah, gorgeous. These new buildings. Alright. My GPS is confused as to why I'm not just going home. It's like, aren't you tired, boy? I need to go to this Belstadt store. I'm wearing a Belstadt jacket. I've never been to the Belstadt store. What the hell kind of nonsense is that? I need to retrieve my jacket today too. I might just sit there and polish it up. That might be the hot ticket. To drive the hands-off way. I love this area. I used to walk around here all the time. Like, what are you doing? What is the malfunction here, champion? Freaking Jersey people. Freaking Jersey people. I thought, oh look, accidentally Wes Anderson. What is that? Oh, it's me. Is it did he come up with a book or with a movie? I like Wes Anderson. I know some people are not super into him, but I like him. Nice turn signal, you dickhead. Luckily, but here's the thing. I knew he was gonna do that. So that's why I anticipated it. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. There's nobody behind me. Look. Everybody's way back. I basically have this whole street to myself. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. I love this city. Although my cranky pants attitude sometimes does not align with how I feel. go down there. Should I? Should I just haul it? You want to go downtown? Maybe. That was a risky maneuver, but it had to be done because I changed my mind about. I was like, do I want to go to you know, World Trade and all that? Nah, not particularly. Not particularly. And look, it's a person from New Jersey. They don't show a turn signal, so I'm gonna do one of these because you got to show turn signals around here. Oh no, they're going straight into the do not enter zone. So it's my fault. Should have been paying attention. But it's fine. I mean, if they want to go into do not enter, I mean, who am I to be like, no, don't go there. You know, it's like, bro, none of your fucking business. And look, now I'm gonna go to the right. That's what it means. Look at that Beamer, she's still turning. And look, now she's getting behind me. Does she have a turn signal? No turn signal again. Why are people from New Jersey so horrible? And like, remember remember last time I actually was in around the same area, and there was another BMW driver that was like fully thick in the brain. And how about that? Another BMW, another person from New Jersey, and no turn signals. What a bunch of dumb fucking bananas. Like, it's embarrassing. I'm embarrassed for that person. I don't want to pull up next to me because I want to see what their face looks like. You know? I wonder what their face looks like. I would imagine it's really stupid looking, but it's okay. I'm gonna let it go. Look at these beautiful buildings. Look at that mural. That's kind of cool. Beautiful situation. Man, I should go to the city for a walk. Go explore some this and some that. Nothing wrong with that. The traffic is kind of catching up a little bit. Oh, maybe I need to get some technically take Broadway to like Canal Street and blast across Manhattan Bridge, but I don't even know if that's necessary. Oh, look at these tourists. No masks. You can always tell a tourist because they don't have a mask. It's not only the wide-eyed, glazed over look, it's also the mask. You know, look at this guy. He's got a little man bun on top of his head. That's dope as hell. It's freaking dope as shit. I respect that. You see, at least these people got masks on their chin. So that's like, you know, that's half the battle right there. Here we go. Green light. Come on, baby. Give me that. Give me that. next turn. I think it's this turn. I think this is the turn that we you know, skip over to the old bridge. Oh, that's the fried chicken spot right there. Damn. Give me that green. Right. What's the dealio? What a cranky little vlog on such a beautiful day. Madness. Pure madness. And there's people on a Revel over there in shorts. Expect that. Places used to be so familiar, and now they seem so foreign. What a weird life. What a weird life to live. What a weird life to live. Oh, that's a really cool balcony up there. Oh man. Yeah, it's like, as much as I want Chinese food right now, we're like having Chinese food, but it's like dumplings with like tummy can handle it right now. You know, I just don't know if that's the correct. Come on, brother. I don't know if that's the correct.
I'd rather one of these. I take one of those.
Have a good one.
Have a good one.
These guys are like, I'll take one of these. Oh my god, what the fuck is going on here? Once again, I'm like first in line here. Oh, this whole vlog is full of just dude on a single wheel with a camera, and look at these chicks. They are stretching for a run. Man, this area is so cool. This area is so freaking cool, but I haven't been here in a minute. Is it time to go? Almost. taxi driver, you know? Well, see, I do the opposite. I go too fast, and that guy slow down to like freaking 5 miles per hour. What the hell? People are weird. People are weird. And look, it's Dime Bank. Oh, the Dime. There used to be Dime Bank here, the Dime Savings Bank. Oh, there it is. And now there is Dime Building. Oh, look at that guy. He's wearing it's always interesting to me when people who are nurses, of all people, don't wear motorcycle gear. I've seen so many times people in scrubs, right? That's what it's called. Nursing scrubs, I think. Maybe. Look at this guy. He's gonna race me. We're gonna beat him. It's gonna be all right. Mickey D's over there. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful situation. Here we go. Stay to left. There we go. Green light. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a coffee. I have no coffee in my house. And I just don't feel like Sorry. You're right. That was right. Oh God, it's a red light. Why? I don't fucking know. But it is a red light. Let me calm down. I got too excited there for a second. Weird. Why are they blocking off through traffic? Fridge. Oh, restaurants, right. Open streets, restaurants. God. Alright. Let's go. Come on, baby. People have I called a fucking idiot today? Probably about the same amount that called me a fucking idiot today. Probably a tie. I'm sure it's probably a tie. I'm deciding which coffee shop I'm gonna go to. Which? Good Lord. Bro. First day on the job here. Mr. UPS driver. They're really gonna talk to each other? Son of a bitch. Roll through. I wanna pull ahead. For a Jeep from New Jersey. Jeep from New Jersey. Yeah. I don't know what it is. It's like these you're just like, you know, that's how you feel. And look, that person is on the phone. Are they gonna go when the light changes? No. Get off your phone, you monkey brain. Get off your goddamn phone. You're driving a minivan, sir. Get off your phone.